She did it all when she's not on no drugs. She did it all when she's sober. Then she made the sinister lines. And she did it for us. So basically, I'm killing you for us. Oh, shit. Whoa. Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today we are reacting to something different. I came across this in my recommended on YouTube. First time listening to this artist. It's called SZA. SZA, SZA, Kill Bill. So, don't know what it's about. Don't know what, but it's doing crazy numbers. So, we're going to jump in it and see what they are saying. What is going on in this video. So, let's get into it. Let's go. That's a very open place to live. Like that place just in the middle of nowhere with no one around. Just a normal caravan. Just, you know, look at it. It's just nothing there.
I wish it didn't have to be this way. I really do. But sometimes in life we have to protect our own heart, even if it means ripping it out of our chest. Au revoir, mon amour.
Whoa! Whoa! Wait!
If it means ripping it out of our chest. Au revoir, mon amour.
Whoa! Wait a minute! So, this guy is supposed to be her husband because we see him give her a nice note. Well, it started with both of them in the same place, in the same caravan, and him give her one letter or note that says basically, sorry, say, I have to do this, but I have to protect my heart, I have to go kill you, basically. Obviously, we see the car pull up, and the man them start, is like a hit squad pull up then, and start shell long shot when he's outside with them, yo. How are the bumbo
clock this? It didn't have to be this way. I really do. But sometimes in life, we have to protect our own heart, even if it means ripping it out of our chest. Au revoir, mon amour.
Dive, duck. Whoa. It's like a movie, yo. Whoa. That's a very dumb. That hit squad there is quite lame. The hit squad should have actually at least somebody should have gone and go check. Not like I want them to kill her anyway. I don't want them to kill her. Like, she's nice. She's beautiful, man. She's beautiful. SZA, Kill Bill. She survived. Yes. Hold on a minute. I need some subtitles here. She basically saying she's still a fan, even though you just do one with your fuckery. I'm still a fan. But me I go fuck you up. You go dead, pussy. You go dead. Me I go kill you. Watch you go on. I hope she kill him. Because man, know whatever them have, whatever their marriage is going through, whatever it is, just walk away. Like, there's no need to know violence. So if you use violence against me, what do you think I'm gonna do? Use violence against you. Let's go. Still a fan, even though it's salty. Hate to see you with some other brother, know you happy. Oh, so, okay. So she's saying she's still a fan, even though she's salty. Okay, and she's here to see some. Okay. Sometimes it's gonna help me, guys. I'm so mature. Got me a therapist to tell me there's other men I ain't doing one night. I just want you. if no one can have you. If I can't have you, no one should. And that's the stand that some people take in these relationships and end up killing their partners. You know, and it's sad, really, it's sad.
If I can't have you, no one should have mine. I might kill my ex, not the best idea. His new girlfriend's next, how I get here.
I might kill my ex even though it's not a good idea. She knows it's not a good idea. So you see the start where him try to kill her. So this is like a hate relationship, but them still, but I know, like I don't fucking know, man. I don't know.
His new girlfriend's next, how I get here. I might kill my ex. I still love him though. Rather be in jail than alone.
She's rather be in jail than alone. She make up her mind. She make up her mind. This, if she does kill him, this is premeditated. This is premeditated. Like, how much of you guys would do this in a situation like this where the person that you're supposed to love, whatever you got you, the person that you're supposed to love, I try to kill you. Like, literally try to kill you. Like hundreds of shots after you. And none, are you okay? What would you do? Call the police? No, bumbuckler. Me I kill him. Me I kill that. Yeah, no police involved. No cops, no stops. Me I kill him.
Rather be in jail than alone. I get the sense that it's a lost cause. I get the sense that you might really love her. The sex gonna be evidence. The sex is evidence. I try to ration with you. No murder's a crime of passion, but damn, you was out of reach. You was at the farmer's market with your perfect peach. Now I'm in the basement, planning on my patient. Now you lay your face down, got me taking over a beach.
She's ready. She's ready. She's on a motorcycle. She's got her sword. She's ready. Kill Bill style. Ready. Let's go. I'm pumped about this one. I'm gassed. She's bad. Yo, this is more than a song. This is more than a fucking song. This is a movie. Like, this is literally a movie, yo. This is a rare piece, and it's the first time I'm reacting to a song. It's the first time I'm even hearing this girl. The first time I'm hearing SZA. SZA, big up herself. This is sick. This is sick. Woo! So she did it all when she's not on no drugs. She did it all when she's sober. Then she make the sinister lines. She did it for us. So basically, I'm killing you for us. Shit. Whoa! This is crazy. I did all for love. No drugs. I did all of this sober. Oh my God. Is he dumb? Is he dumb? Why would you try to kill her? Then she turns up, acting all nice and thing, and then you come on. You should know the person that you've been with. You should. If you didn't know, it's your fault. You should have got to know the person that you are in a relationship with. Take time to know these people, yo. Cause she gonna kill your blood clot. She gonna murder you. You gonna dead. D-E-D dead. Yeah, not D-E-A-D. Fuck that. She D-E-D, man. So, took his heart out. He deserved that. He deserved that. Do it again. Do it again. Whoa. Yeah.
Not the best idea. Kill this girlfriend next out. I get here.
I just killed my ex. Not the best idea. If you're thinking she gonna kill him, Killing girlfriend too. No case, no bumbo clap face, no case. That is it, man. What?
I just killed my ex.
Yes.
I still love him though. Rather be in hell than alone.
Whoa, this is a movie. This is a movie. I like it.
You push me past my own capacity, boy.
Yeah.
Permission to crash, collecting damages, boy. No reaching, grabbing for more clarity now. Sinking, destroy.
She's hot, hot.
Missiles deployed.
It takes skills to do those nuts, those ties, and I forgot what them call them. But it takes skill. Like you have to be a real. You have to know what you're doing to even attempt these nuts and these ties. But yeah, she's hot, man. She's hot. Don't make me do it to you. Yo, this is sick. Yo, I'm gonna subscribe to her channel right this minute. I'm gonna subscribe to her channel right this minute, yo. This is actually sick, yo. Whoa, SZA, girl. Girl! It's the first time I'm reacting to your song. It's the first time I'm even discovering you. Like, thank you to my recommended page. I found you, yo. I love this. I love this. Guys, SZA fans, is there any other song out there that you want me to react to for her? Cause yo, her voice is magical. The song is solid. The video is even more solid. The story behind the video is solid. Yo, this is crazy, yo. This is actually crazy. I love it. I actually love it. I love this. Yo, didn't know what I was jumping into, but I'm glad I'm in it. And I'm glad I'm in it. I know I'm committed because I've just subscribed to her channel. And I didn't even know that this person exists. SZA, big up herself. On repeat. This is on repeat. Like, she killed her ex. But he deserved it. He deserved it. She is fire, yo. Yo, I'm glad I'm here witnessing this type of music. Cause to me, this is more than music. This is actually more than music. And it's a masterpiece, and I really enjoy it. I really enjoyed the video. It kept me on the edge of my seat, you know. So big up yourself, SZA. Big up yourself to the production team around this. Big up to the person who played our ex. Good job, great job. This is where I'm gonna leave this one. If you're new to the channel and you want to see more of SZA and others, leave it in the comment section of the song and the title that you want to see, and I will do it. You understand? I will do it when I have the time. Preferably videos. I like doing videos. But if there's a song that you think, okay, if there's an audience that you think, okay, he would enjoy this, or I would like to see his reaction to this, would be great. Also, my reaction is genuine. I've never seen that video, never watched that video. If I watch a song and you put it in my comment section to react to, I probably won't do it because I don't react like that. You understand? So, this is where I'm going to leave this one, guys. If you enjoyed this one and want to see more, you know what to do. The door is always open. Leave a sub, leave a like on the video, and tell your friend that Jamaica's Worst Gamer is here doing reactions. Alright? Peace.